Something's coming. Supergum! That's right. Supergum is a new taste sensation coming your way. Supergum uses a smooth taste of strawberries with the explosive taste of nitroglycerin. Let's see what some voluntary satisfied tasters said about Supergum. Supergum is clinically tested in Afghanistan by nuclear weapons testers, and that's